my lovely buckets. There's all the peelings, core, all the bits in here, and 2 litres of water. There's another litre I've got here, and I've just dissolved some sugar in it, and that takes me up to 3 litres, which I don't think is going to be enough. Well, I have got some, I bought a while ago, apple cider vinegar that's got the mother in, so I'm going to use all of that because that'll springboard mine. And there's quite a bit. If not, I could have used the apple cider vinegar that I made last year, but if you haven't got that, just leave it to go and it should actually start itself. I can't remember how I started it with that the other year, but that'll give it a big kickstart because there's going to be more apple cores going into it over the next few days. Get yourself a plate, turn it upside down so you can submerge everything in the water. You can get a tea cloth, keep it damp would be better, put it over it. I won't be using this one because it's got a lot of the juices and that from the apples, so I'll get a clean one, wet it and put that over it, because you don't want any fruit flies getting into it. Now you can always put it in a demijohn and put it in an airlock. You can get some cheesecloth and put that over it. Anything to stop the fruit flies getting them. So that's how I've got it at the moment, while I do some more on this now. Thank you, bye.
It's a perfect situation. Swear the bad news bears for me a bag of temptation. Swear the